On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about decorators in Python. We will explain the basic mechanisms and practical uses of decorators with specific examples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Python decorators are a powerful feature used to add additional functionality to functions or methods. Decorators allow you to add new functionality without modifying existing code, thereby improving code reusability and maintainability. Python decorators work by taking a function as an argument and returning a new function with added functionality. Using decorators, you can easily add pre-processing or post-processing to functions. Without decorators, altering a function's behavior requires directly editing the function itself. With decorators, you can extend functionality without modifying the original implementation. In this example, the my_decorator function serves as a decorator, wrapping the say_hello function. The decorator is applied using the @my_decorator syntax, and when say_hello is called, the pre- and post-processing provided by the decorator is automatically executed. Decorators work in the following steps. The decorator takes a function, or method, as an argument. It defines a wrapper function to execute the original function. The wrapper function performs additional processing before or after executing the original function. The decorator returns the wrapper function. As a result, the original function is replaced with a new, decorated function. When applying a decorator to a function with arguments, the wrapper function must be adjusted to accept those arguments. By using args and kwargs, it is possible to handle functions that accept any number of arguments and keyword arguments. This allows decorators to be applied generically to functions with any type of arguments. Decorators are often used to add logging functionality. For example, by creating a decorator that logs before and after executing a function, you can record when the function is called and how long it takes to execute. In this example, the log_time decorator measures a function's execution time and outputs it as a log. The long_task function is wrapped with the decorator, and its execution time is recorded during runtime. Decorators can also be used for permission management. For example, you can restrict processing by checking if a user has specific permissions. The requires _permission decorator restricts the execution of a function based on a user's role. By consolidating such logic into a decorator, you can prevent permission management logic from being scattered throughout your code, enhancing readability. It is possible to apply multiple decorators. When multiple decorators are applied to a single function, they execute in order from top to bottom. In this example, two decorators are applied to the greet function. The @exclaim decorator adds an exclamation mark to the end of the string, and then @uppercase converts the string to uppercase. Decorators can also be used with class methods. This is particularly useful when you want to control the behavior of methods within a class. When applying decorators to class methods, you need to be mindful of arguments like self or CLS. In this example, the log_method_call decorator is applied to the greet method to output a log when the method is called. There are some considerations when using decorators. Decorators can potentially change the original function's name and documentation string, e.g., name or doc, so it is recommended to use functools wraps to preserve this information. Using @functools.wraps ensures that the original function's metadata is correctly passed to the wrapper function. Python decorators are a very powerful tool that allows you to concisely add additional functionality to functions and methods. They can be used in various scenarios to reduce code duplication and improve maintainability and reusability. By understanding how decorators work, you can write more efficient and flexible code. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. I hope this video helps improve your programming life. By subscribing to the channel, we can deliver more useful information to you.